In this lesson, we will learn how to test the presence of hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and chlorine gas. We test for gases in the laboratory because it is nearly impossible to determine the identity of a gas just by its appearance. As an example, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide are all colorless and odorless gases. How would we be able to determine which is which? To test for hydrogen, place a lead splint at the mouth of the reaction vessel. You should hear a very distinctive popping sound which confirms its presence. This is due to the combustion of hydrogen in the presence of oxygen, creating water as the only product. Test for oxygen. Place a glowing splint at the mouth of the reaction vessel. Keep in mind that the splint should be glowing, not lit, and the glowing splint relightens in the presence of oxygen gas. Now there is a challenge. Why does hydrogen burn with a squeaky pop? Why does oxygen relight the glowing splint? Hint: recall some properties of hydrogen and oxygen. Please pause the lesson to think and resume once you are done. Hydrogen is highly flammable, and pop sound that you hear is actually because of a mini explosion. The glowing splint relights in the presence of oxygen because there is a high concentration of oxygen in the reaction vessel. When we compare it with air, it is 21% only. Carbon dioxide gas will extinguish a lit splint, and the same occurs in presence of ammonia. The more accurate test is bubble the carbon dioxide gas with lime water, which is an aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime. Lime water turns milky in the presence of carbon dioxide gas due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Ammonia extinguishes a lighted splint and turn damp red litmus paper blue. In the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid, it gives white smoke of ammonium chloride. It confirms the presence of ammonia gas. Chlorine turns damp blue litmus paper red, and eventually it bleaches. In conclusion, hydrogen burns with a squeaky sound, oxygen relightens glowing splint, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, ammonia turns damp red litmus paper blue, chlorine turns damp blue litmus paper red and bleaches it. Hydrogen and oxygen are neutral gases, whereas chlorine, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide are acidic in nature. If we see ammonia gas, ammonia is a basic gas as it accepts proton in water.